The sound you're hearing belongs to a bird called the Asian koel. In many cultures, this bird has been associated with time, fate, and change. There is an old belief that the number of times it calls is not random. Some people say it represents the amount of time left before something in your life changes. It could be a decision you've been delaying, a moment you didn't expect, or a turning point you haven't noticed yet. Because of this, the koel is sometimes seen as more than just a bird. For some, it's a quiet signal, a reminder that something is coming. And once you hear it, you start to wonder, was it just a sound? Or was it trying to tell you something?